Say hello to Echo Show. It connects to Alexa to show you things in vibrant HD. With redesigned speakers for premium sound and a built-in hub that can quickly set up and control your smart home devices. Just ask to watch live TV or your favorite show, or to cook up something new. Alexa, show me how to make gazpacho.
Okay, for gazpacho, here are a few recipes.
Echo Show can stream all your favorite music from all your favorite places. And call almost anyone. Alexa, call Katie.
Calling Katie.
Hey, you! Alexa, start my day. With routines, it's easy to turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also see who's at the front door or check in on your little human. Alexa, show me the nursery. Best of all, Echo Show and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Show from Amazon.